Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here, this is Penguin Tech. Today we're going to unbox this Panasonic water heater. The model number is DH-3VS1MW electric home shower. Japan quality, uncompromising Panasonic control or Panasonic quality control worldwide. So this does not have any pump, and yeah. So let's take a quick look at the box. So for Malaysia, wattage is 3.6 kilowatt, voltage is 250, 240 volt, electric power control, 3-way shower head, so you can adjust the shower head to 3 types of spray, 9 safety points, water flow sensor, auto thermal cutoff, manual reset thermostat, reinforced polyamide heater unit, on-off switch, built-in earth leakage breaker (ELB), water splash proof case cover, non-flammable material compliance, and insulated structure. So for the installation requirement, it needs 3-core 2.5mm square flexible cord from main power supply. Anything else on this side? And it also has crystal antibacterial. It's a hygienic shower for your peace of mind. AG Plus crystal technology on shower head inhibits growth of bacteria. So there's also nothing on the bottom. And without further ado, let's unbox this. And lastly, so this comes with 1 year's warranty. My previous Electrolux PCB died after just 1 year of usage. If you have noticed my shots, I posted about it, and then I had to pay 110 just to get the technician to come. You know, the 80 is for like checking, the 30 is for the transportation. It's quite ridiculous, which is already like 30% of the water heater cost itself. So I decided to just replace it with a new one with Panasonic, because I previously used Panasonic and they work fine after years. So yeah, not sure what this pipe is for. I hope we don't need to use it. This is probably for the shower head, I believe. Okay, then we have some screws here. Yeah, for you to drill holes to lock your shower head onto your wall. No, your heater unit. Then we have this O-ring, 2 of it here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 screws, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think there's 9 of these red things. Not sure what it's called. Okay, put it up. As usual, quite a fair bit of, polystyrene. So this is the water flow control. Yeah, the one that you install on the bottom of your water inlet part of your water heater. And you have another O-ring here. This is the installation guide. See, it uses the O-ring, lock it in. Yeah. What else do we have? So this is the pipe. And yeah, we definitely had the shower unit there, the one where you can adjust your shower position. That's cool. Then you have your shower head. This is the one with the AG Plus technology. As you can see, there's the AG Plus logo here. And then you press this button to change it to the 3 types of spray you want. Hopefully it doesn't turn yellow on the shower heads. What else do we have here? We have this big chunk of installation guide and operating instruction. Quick reference guide. So this is the 2024 model. Yeah. So if it's DH-3WL1, you get the shower head unit without the adjustable height function. But then I believe the DH-3WL1 also does not have three-way control on your shower head. So yeah. So if you want adjustable shower head and adjustable height, you need to go for this DH-3VS1. Otherwise, you can cut down your budget and go for this DH-3WL1. And the DH-3VS1 retail price is 309 ringgit, while the DH-3WL1 retail price is 284 ringgit. So it's just a little bit like a 25 ringgit difference. Okay. Here's a warranty card. Right, without further ado, we can take this shower head unit out, and let's check if there's anything else or more. So this is the shower head itself. We just take this plastic out. Yes. So it's an entirely white unit. Yeah. And you do hear a click when you turn it on. Surprisingly, that's the case because I didn't know. Because the show unit did not have this click sound. And this is high. ELB button there. So pretty easy. If you want to use it, just turn this on right away. And then this is the ELB test button. Should I break it? Well, guess not yet. Sleek design, I like it. So this is the electric home shower from Panasonic. 3600 watt. As I said, mean water pressure 9.8 kPa, max 380 kPa. So if you don't need pump, you can just go for this unit, because those with pumps are almost about, at least, you know, about double the price. So where do you drill the hole? Let me see. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 perhaps. Yeah, whatever. Yeah, and then the wire comes out here, I believe. Yeah, not sure what this is, but yeah, I think the wire comes out here. And so if you want to open up the unit, you have to go beneath here and then unscrew this, and then you can pop up the cover. This is the inlet, and then this is the outlet. Okay. Yeah. So the only downside is your wire will be a little bit visible. But yeah, it doesn't come out from the top. Not sure if that's the design choice of Panasonic, because Electrolux ones comes out from the top, and I'll be interested to see how it's gonna replace the Electrolux unit. Apparently the drill hole needs to be different, so yeah. Alright, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye bye.